say the booms.
I'd say
It's an hour either way.
Yeah!
From where I love to stay out in
Love
the
the beaver.
boonies. Yes, sir, I'm proud to be from where the living's nearly free. That's where I long to be, out in the boonies. In the boonies.
Now, any truck hunter will tell you that truck hunting is an incurable addiction.
That's right, Texas. Even when I'm not out to play and hunt and I see the opportunity for a good kill, well, it's like getting your first reach around. Your heart stops racing, the adrenaline fills your veins.
Fucking blow the gas! That's what it's all about!
Holy fuck! That was fucking Freddy's mailbox!
Fuck! Jimmy, you know I'm like a loaded gun with an itchy trigger finger.
Holy fuck!
Now, truck hunting is a combination of the two most exhilarating
And ball sweating
patriotic things you can do. Trucking
and killing!
and killing. Yeah, Jimmy, truck hunting is as American as apple pie and baseball.
That's right, Texas. And shooting people just because they don't look like you.
That's right! The truck hunters are born, not made.
Now, you don't necessarily need to be owning a truck to be a truck hunter on the inside.
But you will be needing a truck to be a true truck hunter on the outside.
Fuck.
So for fuck's sakes,
Get
get yourself a fucking truck. For the fucking truck! Let's get killing, bro! Yeah! Fuck trucking, fucking love it.